Raora, I've been wondering, do you brew your coffee like doing a pour over or espresso machine? Or would you prefer to go to the coffee shops every morning? And thanks for the comfy streams. I have capsules espresso. Capsules. So it's like, I have like, let me show you. I have like, I have like a machine. Wait, I have like a machine, right? That's the machine I have. And there's like, from here, it comes the coffee, okay? I put the glass here. Yeah. It's not bread. and here I put the capsules, and the capsule looks like this. Yeah. And you put the capsule here, and here there is the water. Among Us. There's water here. It looks like an Among Us. My coffee machine is on Among Us. No! Basta, finito!